Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to how can we check storage and how can you use guys your phone storage setting in your lava phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to check phone storage. So friends you can see this type of setting, friends scroll it, friends you can see phone storage setting guys, tap here guys. Sorry friends, I post the video guys now continue. So friends, you can see guys phone storage setting guys. You can see guys total storage is 32 GB and I have used guys 28% means 8.91 GB I have used, and guys you can see photos and videos guys, and guys you can see music and audio, games, movie and TV show, other apps 1.5 GB, file 0, system guys I have 7.3 GB storage. So like that guys you can check your phone storage setting guys. You can use your phone storage setting in your lava phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet a nice video guys with the topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.